Gaggenau presents the new premium class cooling appliances. Fridges, freezers, wine cabinets from the world of the professional, in various sizes to mix and match at will, for food storage centers individually tailored to your household's requirements. With unique equipment and every convenient feature for the most exacting demands. Here's an ideal combination featuring 3 of the new appliances. Genuine built-in appliances that integrate fully into furniture units, but see for yourself. The centerpiece, the new Vario refrigerator, the scintillating heart of the new food storage center. Stainless steel interior paneling. A completely new lighting concept featuring spot downlighters and wide side-mounted strip lights. Multi-level glass shelves that are easy to adjust. One shelf is even motorized and can be adjusted even when fully loaded to create more space in double quick time. Generously sized drawers with transparent fronts, plus the temperature-controlled refrigerator drawer offering near 0 to 3 degree storage for particularly sensitive foodstuffs like fish, meat or delicate vegetables. All drawers can be fully extended even if the door is only open to 90 degrees. Operation is child's play, the control unit for regulating temperature and climate in the interior of all the new appliances. Solid hinges carrying doors opening to a generous 115 degrees for unique convenience levels. Multi-airflow, the new air ducting system within the door, ensures the same temperature in the door trays and the refrigeration compartment. Solid aluminium door trays cater even for extra-large containers. And that's not all. All the new appliances are the quietest in their class, and especially frugal too. Energy efficiency class A+. The new Vario freezer center with ice and drinking water dispenser suitable for large containers too, for ice-cold water, ice cubes and crushed ice. And all freezers without ice and water dispenser still offer an integrated ice maker with a fixed water connection for constant and plentiful supplies of non-clumping ice cubes. The same high-quality interior equipment, spotlights, stainless steel paneling, metal shelving, transparent drawers, the lower one boasting extra-large capacity. The ideal complement for every fridge-freezer center. A Vario wine storage and temperature control cabinet. Large, wide-opening glass doors. 2 separate temperature zones offering electronic regulation between 5 and 18 degrees for red and white wine, or to store and bring wines to drinking temperature at the same time. Fully extending beechwood trays with aluminium trim. With matching presentation attachments to display those prized vintages in their best light. Aluminium trays to accommodate decanters, open bottles or a humidor. And the new Vario program has more. 2 large fully integrated fridge-freezer combinations with 1 or 2 doors, a full 91 centimeters wide. And in all Vario appliances, the same high-quality equipment, plus 1 asymmetrically divided glass tray that is simple to adjust. One of the large shelves features motor-driven adjustment. Doors open to a wide 115 degrees. Drawers feature transparent front, 1 extra wide drawer for large dishes, fully extendable even with the door open to only 90 degrees. Easy access from above to the large freezer drawer with integrated ice maker and practical subdivision options. Whether finished in stainless steel, aluminium or tucked neatly behind an individual cabinet front, Gaggenau's new Vario built-in appliances set the benchmark for food storage, the unrivaled front-runners in refrigeration technology. This is what the new Vario program looks like. 45.7, 61, 76.2 or 91.2 centimeter widths. Fridges, freezers with or without ice and water dispensers, wine cabinets and fridge-freezer combinations. Large format 212 centimeter high appliances. Freely combinable. 2 or 3 of the new appliances for 106.7 centimeter alcoves right up to the large format solution 213.4 centimeters wide. The difference is Gaggenau.